Welcome to Quick Revision, Part 1 of the Plant Diversity video of virus, presented by Alex, on behalf of Achyut Sir, BAM Sir. We begin our study with viruses, as seen in this visualization of a virus interacting with a DNA strand. The word virus is derived from the Latin word virion, meaning venom or poison. The term virus was coined by Louis Pasteur.
Historically, Adolf Mayer first detected a virus. Dmitry Ivanovsky first discovered the virus, and Beijerinck coined the term contagium vivum fluidum.
Wendell Meredith Stanley crystallized the tobacco mosaic virus, or TMV, for the first time in 1935. He is known as the father of virology.
Louis Pasteur is credited with giving the term virus, being the father of microbiology, and discovering the rabies vaccine, along with sterilization, fermentation, and pasteurization techniques. Viruses exhibit both living and non-living characteristics. For example, they contain genetic material and can multiply, but they can also be crystallized and have no metabolism.
Viruses range in size from 9 to 300 nanometers. The smallest virus is coliphage F2, and the largest and most complex is the pox virus at 400 nanometers.
The shape of viruses varies, including rod-shaped like the tobacco mosaic virus, tadpole-shaped like bacteriophage, and spherical like the influenza virus. We can see examples of different virus shapes here, including the tobacco mosaic virus, bacteriophage virus, influenza virus, rabies virus, and smallpox virus.
Viruses are classified based on their host. They can be phytophage for plants, zoophage for animals, cyanophage for BGA, and anthrophage for humans, among others.
The basic structure of a virus includes nucleic acid, capsid, and an envelope. The nucleic acid is labeled A, the capsid B, and the envelope C.
The capsid is the protein coat, made of capsomeres, which determines host specificity. The nucleic acid is the genetic and infectious part, being either RNA or DNA.
This diagram shows the structure of a bacteriophage and the human immunodeficiency virus, illustrating the key components of a viral structure. The components of the human immunodeficiency virus are labeled capsid, envelope protein, enzyme, and RNA.
Viruses are also classified based on their genetic material: DNA viruses and RNA viruses. DNA viruses can be double-stranded or single-stranded. Examples include calimovirus and parvovirus.
RNA viruses can also be double-stranded, such as reovirus, or single-stranded, like retrovirus, which includes HIV and COVID. The multiplication cycle of a virus consists of the lytic and lysogenic cycles. The lytic cycle involves 5 main steps: attachment, penetration, biosynthesis, maturation, and lysis. In lysis, the host cell breaks open, releasing new phages. The lysogenic cycle involves the viral DNA integrating into the host DNA and replicating with it, leading to cell multiplication. It can later enter the lytic cycle.
The tobacco mosaic virus, or TMV, was the first virus discovered by Ivanovsky and crystallized by Stanley. It is rod-shaped, contains ssRNA, and is a naked virus with 2,130 capsomers. Bacteriophages, which attack bacteria, were discovered by William Twort. They are tadpole-shaped, contain dsDNA, and are naked viruses with 2,000 capsomers.
Let's review some key enzymes in viruses. Reverse transcriptase, or RNA-dependent DNA polymerase, is found in retroviruses like HIV and tumor-causing viruses. Important plant diseases caused by viruses include potato spindle tuber disease, leaf curling of papaya, and yellow vein mosaic of Bindi. Animal diseases include rabies, smallpox, and AIDS. Some special points about viruses. A virion is a complete virus. A viroid has only nucleic acid, causing diseases like potato spindle tuber disease. A prion has only protein, causing mad cow disease. Viruses also have economic importance. Bacteriophages contribute to the purity of the Ganga River and are used for studying viral infection mechanisms and controlling bacterial diseases. Key points to remember. Leucovirus has both RNA and DNA. Virus-free plants are obtained by meristem culture. Viral diseases are diagnosed by antigen-antibody reactions. Thank you for watching this video. We now move on to a multiple-choice questions session. The question is, what is an obligate parasite? The correct answer is A. It cannot multiply outside a living cell. Also, TMV was isolated in crystal form by Stanley. Which virus is a Gemini virus? ssDNA? The answer is D. Parvovirus. For the next question, the double-stranded DNA virus, a calimovirus, is C. Adenovirus. Who gave the term virus? The answer is D. Pasteur. Finally, the TMV virus was first discovered by A. Ivanovsky. Let's begin the next set of CEE multiple-choice questions. The first question asks, what are obligate parasites? The correct answer is A. They cannot multiply outside a living cell. The next question is, what is a bacteriophage? The correct answer is B, a virus. The third question asks, TMV was isolated in crystal form by which person? The correct answer is C, W.M. Stanley. Next question. The protein coat of a virus is called a capsid. The correct answer is A. What does a capsid refer to? The correct answer is B, the protein coat of virus particle. The next question is, a virus has genetic material composed of what? The correct answer is C, DNA or RNA. In which virus is the DNA double-stranded? The correct answer is C, hepatitis B. Prions are largely composed of what substance? The correct answer is C, protein. A bacteriophage releases lysozyme during which phase? The correct answer is C, penetration phase. The longest virus is C, Citrus tristeza. Viruses are believed to be C, a transitional group between living and non-living entities. The purity of the Holy Ganga River is due to C, bacteriophage. The viral genome incorporated and integrated with host DNA is called C, prophage. Which diseases are caused by viruses? Measles and rabies, which is D, all of the mentioned diseases. Influenza, mumps, measles, smallpox, chickenpox, polio, and hydrophobia are viral diseases, so the correct answer is D, all. What low molecular weight proteins are produced by a host cell in response to viral infection? The correct answer is C, interferons. Viroids differ from viruses in having A, naked RNA molecules only. We have now reached the end of the multiple choice questions for this section of the video. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, you can contact Achyut Mallik sir at the email provided.